olive oil, minced garlic, finely chopped onions, 1 pound of minced pork, a tablespoon of fish sauce, dark soy sauce, cover and simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Hot dogs, red bell peppers, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. One jar of classical for cheese pasta sauce, water, ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, cheese, cheddar cheese, two pounds of spaghetti pasta,
Mamaya parang ready.